my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix. You will need a new app to open this Windows Defender link in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are unable to access Windows security on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open PowerShell. For that, you need to click on Start menu. Then click on the search bar and type here PowerShell. You can see here Windows PowerShell. Just right click on that and click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes to allow. Guys, here you need to type some of the command what I will provide in my video description link. You can copy paste from there. If you are a Windows 11 user, you just need to copy this command. If you are a Windows 10 user, then you need to copy this command. I am a Windows 11 user, so I am copying this command. Just select, right click and copy. Come to PowerShell. Just right click on the top of the window, go to edit and click on paste. After that, hit enter. Guys, you need to wait for some time to complete this process. Guys, as you can see here, it will show some of the errors. You just need to ignore this and wait for to complete this process. After completion of this process, just close this window and restart your PC. Just close this window, and once you have to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix. You need a new app to open this Microsoft Defender link in Windows security. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.